String.h header file contains the functions useful on string. To find the string length, copy the two strings, or concatenate, that means join the two strings, comparison of two strings, reversal of strings, and conversion into lower or uppercase of the string. String is array of characters, and this array always ends with \n. Now let's see how to use these functions. It is observed that on some online compilers, some of the functions don't work. So let's move to the code blocks. This is the code blocks compiler. So let's write the file. Save the file. We have to save the file. Give some name to the file. Let's see str.c. File should have always the extension .c. The first part of file name could be anything. So let's save this. Now include stdio on and include string.h. We know get character and put character. This is for characters. So if we define, say, character m, and if you say m is equal to get char, then when you get any character, it is converted or stored as m. When you say put char, put character m is displayed on the screen. Let's run this. To run this, you can go here, that build. It is very easy to write a program in code blocks. First you have to go to file, then you have to go to new and empty file. This is the simplest. When you say empty file and empty file comes here, you write whatever you want. You store it and then go to build. First build, control F9, or you can click here. If you want to only run, control F10, or build and run is F9. So let's build here. When you build, if there is any error, it gives us. If there is no error, you can see that here there is no error. We can run it, build and run. So when you run this, you get output screen. When I enter any character E, suppose, you get it E as it because of put. This is for a single character. When it is a string is array of characters. So we have to define it as an array. It is of character, so char is necessary. This is the name of string and this is the maximum length of string. It could be anything of your wish. To read string, we know it is get s, and to write it, it is put s. So get s message and put s message. Here we can give a string. String is any sentence we can give. So let's run this. There is no error. So I just give you, write some, I am good. It is equal here, I am good. So this is reading the string and writing the string. Now let's find out length of a string. So let's put it here. Get length of string. So for that, let's define len with the length of string. So len is equal to str, that is for string, len for length. That's all. And mes. So len is string length. Now what is the string length? Just see printf. String length is %d, because length is decimal. comma, alien. So here it will print the string length. Let's run this program. How are you? Suppose. How are you? And say question. This is your string. String length is 13. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Space is also counted. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it gives string length. Okay. Now let's check how to reverse the string. So for reversing the string, the message is REV. So here just write down REV STR. STR-REV. Let's check this one. For reversing STR-REV. Let's go here. STR-REV. And what? Message. So message is the name of string. It will be reversed by STR-REV. And it will be displayed because of put s. So get s, read the string. Put s, write the reverse string. Let's run this program. I just write something. I am very good. See. DOOGYREVMAI. Exactly the string is reversed. We have once written the program for reversal of numbers. This is reversal of string. The instruction is already available. We can use it directly. So you can give any string that will be reversed. Let's run it again if you want. Build. Run. Run the program. Then suppose I write very happy. It is reversed. Okay. Good. Now let's check how to get the string in lower order or upper order. The instruction is strlwr for lower order, strupr for higher order. Let's write here. So let's change this strlwr. So let's build this. Build. Now let's run this. Run. And just give any instruction, any statement. I just purposely give HOWAREYO capital U I am FINE. In this way I have given. So let's convert it to lower. See, how are you? I am fine. Everything is in the lower order. Now let's try for higher order. So for that, just say str, check the instruction, upr. Very simple instruction, upr. That's all. Let's build it. Now let's run it. I write some sentence that hi, I am fine. How R you have given this. Hi, I am fine. How are you? Everything is in capital. So in this way we get higher or capital. Now let's check copy string. For copy string we need one more. Suppose mes2. This is also one more character string. So we get first string and now we copy the string to another string. So for copy, what is the instruction? strcpy, destination and source. So first we have to write the destination and then source. So strcpy, then first the destination, that is mes2, and then mes message. Now the copy message has copied to mes2. Now let's say put s, and what we will show? We'll show mes2 because that is the copied. So we will not display the first string. We'll directly display the second string, and it should be same as the first string. So let's build this. Now let's run this. So let's give any name. Suppose very good. Good. So very good. So second string is also same as first string. We can give such indication also that message2 is this. Instead of put s, we always give printf also. Printf message2 is %s for string. Do you remember? Now mes2. So let's build this and let's run this. So give any message A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So message2 is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So same message is copied. Now see concatenation. Concatenation means joining two messages. See this. strcat, first string and second string. So two strings will be joined together. So let's do this. So here also two messages are required. strcat, concatenation, message1, message2, and let's print this, or let's put s. Put s means the concatenated string will be printed on the output. So get message1 and get message2 also. So we have to get two messages. So we have to get two messages one by one, and then they will be concatenated. Okay. Okay. Now let's build this and run this. So here, just I write A, B, C, D as first string and E, F, G, H as second string. Now we get A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So in this way, two strings are joined together. Now let's see comparison of two strings. So in comparison also, we have to read the two strings and strcmp will compare the two strings. MES and MES2 will be compared. After comparison, it generates a number. So say INTN. This number is generated. If this number is equal to 0, that means the two strings are same. Otherwise, they are not same. So let's equate n is equal to comparison of these. Now check if n is equal to 0, means two strings are same. So let's put as both strings are same. And if this is not the case, else we'll print that put as not same. Not same. Both strings are same or they are not same. Okay. So let's build and run this program. So build. Okay. Now run. So I first give same strings A, B, C, D and A, B, C. Both strings are same. Now let's run it again. A, B, C, D and any other thing ERTY. ERTY. This is second string. Not same. So they just compare it. We can, if we want, we can compare only first few characters also. At that time we have to give that the number here. Okay. So in this way, these string comparisons, copy, concat, all are over. They work like this. Now let's do something on the string, that whatever are the letters in the strings, let us arrange them in the alphabetical order like that in dictionary. So for that, let's have a message. This message we'll take from the user. We have to compare the characters one by one. So let's I be the counter for comparing the characters. We have already written the ascending descending program, if you remember. So for that we need a flag. The flag will be initially 0, and whenever there is an interchange, we make the flag 1, that we compare. So we need a flag. And we need one more thing. If the two characters are not in the proper order, then we have to interchange the two characters. For that, we need one temp variable here. So temp is also correct. So these variables we need. Now we'll give a message to user that enter some string. Enter statement. Enter statement. So user will enter some statement. After user enters some statement, we have to read the statement. So get as MES. Actually, when the programs are written, instructions are written one after another. But then the program becomes big and we cannot observe on a single screen. That's why many a times I write one after another sentences in a single line. But whenever there is a semicolon, the compiler understands that the first statement is over and next has started, though it is not written on the next line. But when you write the program on the next and next line, it becomes legible and easy for understand. But for convenience, I am writing the program like this. So we get here the message. Message can be of any length, so we must know what is the length of message. That also one more variable we need here to find the length also. So len may be the length. So let's get, because for all the letters we have to arrange them. So len is equal to strlen message. So we get here length. So for all the characters in a given length, we have to check it. So let's do it for all the characters. So when do, we start with flag is equal to 0. And at the end, we check whether flag has become 1 or not. So while flag is equal to 1, this condition, this do loop will be executed. We have done exactly similar way in case of numbers ascending descending. Initially flag is 0, then here the comparison is done. If there is any interchange, then the flag we make 1. And if flag is 1, then repeat the cycle. Now do. In this do, what we have to do is we have to check all the characters and check whether they are in the proper order or not. Like in the dictionary. If they are not, then we have to interchange. So for I is for counter, I is equal to 0 to I less than L, I less than length. But we know that when there are 10 numbers, actually interchanging will be done only for 9. So 1 less than length is required, I plus plus. For this spinning part, what we have to do is if what is the condition? If message I, every time we'll check the first character and second and third and fourth. So we'll start from message 1 to message 2 to message 3. So starting from 0, if message I is greater than message I plus 1, that is the next character. If this is the case, then we have to interchange. Under this case, we have to interchange. Otherwise, we don't have to interchange. So what to do in this interchange part? In the interchange part, let us take temp is equal to message I. Then message I is equal to message I plus 1. And message I plus 1. Do you remember this? Message I plus 1 is equal to temp. Actually, we want to interchange message I and message I plus 1. But if we directly take this number here, then whatever number here was, that will be discarded. So that is kept in temp. Then this number is taken here. And temporarily kept number is taken here. So here the comparison process completes. Because we have done the comparison, we'll make flag is equal to 1. And if flag is equal to 1, that means some comparison has been done. So while flag 1, we have to do this. Now we have to execute this for loop. Let's check everything and then run. Yes, we have done it, but we have not printed the output. So put s miss. Okay. Let's build it. Now let's run it. So let's run this. Enter statement. So I enter some statement. I am very happy. See, A, E, H, all in the alphabetical order, starting from A, ending at Y. Let's run it again if you want. Run. We are learning C. all the letters are again ordered in the alphabetical order. Okay.